Okay, we're going to use this video to document this Black Forest Hunter Cuckoo. This is a beautiful clock. It's a large example. It measures 31 inches in height. And that dimension is taken from the top of the eagle's wings down to the bottom of the game bag. So the chains, the weights, the pendulum, none of that is taken into consideration in the measurement. The eagle has a 15-inch wingspan. The pediment is 20 inches across the top. And all the carving's done in full relief. Everything looks real and life-size. And the first thing we want to let you know about this clock, this is a documented example. So not a similar example, but this exact clock was photographed in the 1980s, and it was included in the book Black Forest Clocks by Rick Ortenberger. And we were fortunate to acquire a large collection of rare Black Forest clocks, many of which were documented in this book. And you can see there's a half-page feature showing this exact cuckoo clock. So obviously this clock was worthy enough to be included in this publication. And having that clock included in that publication will just further add to its desirability. And it's a true investment piece. This clock's been in our collection now for a while, but we're going to be letting this piece go, and so we're using this video just to give you an up-close look at the clock. The clock was made about 1900. It has a cast brass plate movement. It was recently just serviced. See, it's keeping excellent time. We'll set it off here so you can see it in action. Clock has its original bone hands. Plumpwood cuckoo bird. And that eagle's just fantastic with that large wingspan. So this clock is large enough to put a presence on the room. When it measures 31 inches, most hunter cuckoo clocks have stags with big antlers at the top. And those antlers greatly inflate the height of the clock. If this clock with these proportions had the stag versus the much more desirable eagle, it would easily be well over 3 feet, just with the additional height those antlers give. This clock is big enough to put a presence on the room, but it's small enough that it can still be displayed in a home with 8-foot ceilings. I'll give you a view here from the side. Anyway, we're going to be listing this clock on eBay. We're going to list it with no reserve. So if this is a piece that you're interested in, it would be a great investment quality Black Forest clock to add to your collection.